sensor unit SU6804B, and in this module we will experiment to understand the operation of an infrared LED and a receiver transistor in object detection. It is our LED infrared and it is our photo transistor. In photo transistor we have three probes, black, white and red. The red is collector, white is emitter and black is ground. Now turn the power off of the op-amp unit and wire the connection according to the figure given in the manual. Connect the LED infrared to the P device and plus 15 ground and minus 15 for the supply. Now attach the LED and photo transistor module to the distance adjusting rails. Set the distance between the two objects to 5 mm. Set the white level to 5, middle. Now use the multimeter and set your multimeter to the resistance and measure the conductance, that is reciprocal of resistance between the collector and emitter of the photo transistor. It is the collector and white is the emitter. Turn on the power and measure the resistance. It is in the range of 26.5 kilo ohms. Now note this resistance and move the receiver sensor away from the LED module gradually, and at every 5 mm measure the conductance as indicated on your multimeter, and finally draw the graph showing the measurement including the initial value. You can move this photo transistor 5 mm and note the resistance and take its reciprocal and draw the graph. Now step 2 is to increase the bias level to maximum 10 and repeat the previous step. That is, again put this transistor at 0 point and increase the distance and measure the resistance, and at the end compare the two graphs at 5 bias level and at 10 bias level and decide the distance and decide which case its sensitivity is better. Now connect this photo transistor to our device terminal and set the analog multimeter to DC 15 volts. Now set the byte level to 5 and at every 5 increment measure the photo sensor output voltage and draw the curve showing the relationship. Find the rate change of voltage as a function of the distance. Set the distance of the source and the receiver to 10 mm. And then block these two by using a paper or your finger so that there is no other light acting on the receiver, and see if the output voltage changes. In case the output changes, now in this case note the reading of the distance and the voltage. Now set the frequency to AC kilohertz and set the output level to 5. Adjust the oscilloscope display to 100 Hz 2-volt signal. Set the distance between the phototransistor sensor to 5 mm and turn the op-amp power on. Measure the